All right, so let's go. This is the practice for the reorder paragraphs, number 15. Now, scrolling down, taking a look at this, I remember I used this in one of our tutorials. But since this is for all of the practice materials, let's do it again. So we're going to start by looking for traps. And for the first one right here, the essence. This one doesn't actually help us. Why not? Because of the preposition. We can't use this as one of the traps to help ask a question. So we're going to keep going. And this one does help us. The bark. The bark. Very good. So I ask, what bark? Which bark are you talking about? So we're going to answer that question. We're going to look at the other 4 sentences. This one right here doesn't say anything about bark. The next one, nope, nothing about bark, but I do see another trap. We'll come back to that. And this ding, 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 this one right here, derived from bark of cedar. So what I'm thinking is they're talking about this bark right here. So I'm going to put that below it. Oops. Right here. It doesn't matter where we put it at the moment because as long as it's a pair, it's 1 point. You know that, right? So we have that connection here, bark to bark. And what was the other one that I saw earlier? Right here. You see that? Here, let me put this here for now. Because it says the pedal, I'm going to ask the question, what pedal are you talking about? So I'm going to look at this one, but not this one. Why not? Because we know what comes afterwards. So we're going to look here. So which of these sentences will tell us right here, the petals? What kind of petals are they talking about? The petals of fresh flowers. So I feel like that is the connection. So automatically, we actually don't need to move anything, right? So this is a pair. Oops, sorry, drew it wrong. This is a pair. This is a pair. So the only thing left is this one. But let's identify whether or not this can be number 1. Can you start a brand new paragraph with those are? Nah, it ain't happening. So I'm going to label this as X1, X2, and then I'm going to say this is C1, C2, just randomly picking the letters. X1, X2 creates a pair, that's 1 point. C1, C2 creates a pair, that's another point. So we know this one cannot be number 1. How about the others? We're only going to look at the 1s. We can't look at the 2s. Why not? Because 2s are 2s. It can't go first. So the other option is X1 and C1. So we don't know which one is first. So we got to read a little bit. But do you see how this one starts with also? Can we start a brand new paragraph with also? Nah, it ain't happening. So that means this is the lone one standing. That is number 1. So what that means is we know this is 1, this is 2. All right, you know this is going to be a pair. We just got to figure out where this goes. But this is actually a trap by itself because it says those are the many sources, right? So for fragrance, basically for some type of smell. So we have to check 1, 2, C1, C2. Are they all talking about sources for fragrance? If yes, then you know this is going to be the last one. If no, then this is going to be number 3 because this is talking about perfume. Okay, so this 1, 2 is talking about sources of fragrance. So let's look at C1, C2. Are they talking about some type of fragrance? Also, yes. So they say yes, they're still using these. They extract the oils, things like that. So they are still using it for fragrance. So that means we have our order. Okay, that means this has to go. Oops, sorry. I'm going to put this back. All right, this has to go at the bottom because that's referring to everything. All of the sources here, right? That is the trap. So we know this is going to be 1, 2, And remember, this was C1, C2. We just put 3, 4. How did we get here? We knew that also couldn't be number 1. So that's why, remember, this was X1, X2. This is C1, C2. We had our pairs separated this way and this one because they said those are all the sources. We ended up with number 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's how I got the order. Now, again, for 79, you want to get the order. If you're not aiming for 79, I would have just stopped at those 2 points. I would have got those 2 pairs and said, forget about it. Maybe guess the order, but never separating those pairs. I hope that helps.